AI-related cryptos lead altcoin surge. Bitcoin breakout nears with several catalysts in Q4, according to an analyst that you might have heard of. Let's jump right into it. Artificial intelligence-related cryptocurrencies lead the crypto rally on Monday as altcoins continue to shine relative to Bitcoin. Native tokens of Layer 1 blockchain Near and decentralized computing platform Render advanced 18 to 20% over the past 24 hours. They are the fastest horses within the broad market benchmark. Decentralized machine learning protocol BitSensor climbed 17% during the same period, while LivePeer added to its gains after Barry Silbert, CEO of crypto investment firm Digital Currency Group, called the token under the radar AI play in an X post. The token is a constituent of Grayscale's decentralized AI fund. Bitcoin, meanwhile, was lagging with a less than 1% gain, battling to reclaim that 200-day moving average at the below $64,000 mark. I told you about this. Ethereum's Ether showed relative strength with a 3.5% return. So moving along, we're going to look at this right here, what you all have been waiting for. Bitcoin could hit new record prices in Q4. So let's talk about this. Rate cuts brought Bitcoin's price lower in 2019, but they might be bullish this time if this happens due to inflation cooling towards 2% instead of economic weakness. Marcus Thelian, founder of 10x Research, said on Monday in an interview with CoinDesk. Thelian predicted BTC breaking out to new all-time highs in the last quarter of the year from its 6-month sideways move, citing several catalysts to fuel the rally. Months between October and March are historically the strongest period for Bitcoin, responsible for the most of the gains over the year. The FTX estate may redistribute $16 billion of assets to creditors in the next months, with a part of those funds flowing back into the crypto assets. Thelian said the SEC last week approved listing options for BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF, a positive move that paves the way to launch more financial instruments around the ETF and eventually bring more institutional liquidity to the leading asset. While many investors see uncertainty about who will be voted for the next U.S. president in November, Thelian said that the election doesn't really matter because the government spending and deficits will continue to rise, benefiting Bitcoin. So, I do think that Bitcoin's price will be directly affected by who becomes the president. We'll definitely see a larger dip in the market, according to me, if we see Kamala Harris becomes a president versus Trump, because we know that their economic policies are very different, and one's more positive towards businesses and the other is more adversarial. Now, that being said, we're going to monitor how things progress and see you in the next video.